Paktay na. May magbabalik kulungan yata nito eh. Baka sabihin na naman tong fake news. Oh, basahin natin ha. The Supreme Court has found Muntinlupa Regional Trial Court Judge Romeo Buenaventura guilty of simple misconduct and neglect of duty in handling the high-profile drug case against former Senator Laila De Lima. The source, Inquirer. Okay? So, hindi fake news to. Check nyo yan, check nyo yan. Ang yari nito, hala, oy hala. Bebe, tingnan natin. Agoy. Judge in the Lima case found guilty of neglect of duty. Good luck, De Lima. Good luck.